Hey Josh, my name is Erin and I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. We're a marketing company in North Carolina, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, we're shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something we specialize in and that's something you're interested in doing for your business, please do reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope that you're able to take these tips that I give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask if you're able is just to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things that I'll cover are going to be content on your website, citations, and backlinks. So I have your website pulled up here, and so it looks like you do have a good amount of content here. And to Google, the words along with the pictures, what your pictures are saved as, and anything behind the pictures is considered content. And to them, content is king. So they typically like to see about 1,500 words on your homepage. And it looks like you all, like I said, do have a good amount of content. I'm not sure that it's quite 1,500 words, so you may want to add a little bit more in there, and that'll really just give you more of an opportunity as well to add in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So that is the only tip I have for you there. We'll go ahead and move on to citations. And I pulled up a quick search here of windshield repair in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section. This is called the map pack, and it has a lot to do with citations. So what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directory, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, which is great, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in their business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed, and you would want to grab those listings for your business as well. But you don't just want to stop there. Wherever you see your competition being listed, you want to grab those for yourself, but then you also want to build on that. So you would want to double or even triple the amount of listings that you have for your company. That way you're totally dominating your competition in that space, but it will also help you to rank high here as well. So now that we've covered the content and the citations, we'll move on to backlinks. And backlinks have to do with this section underneath the maps. This is the organic section. And the way that a backlink works is there is a website out there that has a link that they're sending to your site. And it is pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to your site as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one to yours. But that link is going to be all about ice cream, of course. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get a link from other windshield repair companies that are basically sending a link back to your site and signaling to Google that that is the industry that you're in and that you are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but it will also be more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I just pulled up a tool that I use here and put your site into it. It's not showing any data for you right now, but I did also pull up one of your competitors that is ranking really high on Google just to give you a visual representation of what we're speaking about. So it's showing they have 337 referring domains, giving them 211,000 backlinks, and that's getting them found for over 9,000 keywords and driving over 6,000 people to their website on a monthly basis, which is huge. So let's pull up some of the keywords that they're using here, and we'll take a look. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So that's anything that someone is actually going to be typing into the search bar on Google when they're looking for your services. So typically we're wanting to see something with like your industry name and then a location behind it. And we'll also pay attention to this section here, this volume section. That's showing how many times per month this particular word or phrase is being searched. And it looks like some of the ones that they have are being searched a ton. So that's awesome. So it looks like they're ranking for windshield replacement quote, sunroof repair near me, auto windshield replacement, car glass replacement, sunroof repair near me. And I will not bore you and go through all of these, but this just kind of gives you an idea of the kinds of things that you would want to integrate into your content on your site. That way, when people are typing in those things, Google is going to crawl your site and see those words or phrases, and you will get ranked for it. And essentially, in order to beat out your competition, you really just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And again, you don't just want to stop there. You want to get what they have, and then you want to keep adding on to that. That way, you're going to be number one on Google, and they're going to have a very difficult time even catching up with you. So that's really all that I have for you today, Josh. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope that it was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business online via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.